Hello children, good morning you all. Meeting after a long time, after giving all the notes and all. Hope you have copied them. Now it is time to revise everything because we are going to have our exams very soon. Within a week, from 21st of December, we are going to have our exams. We are left with only 10 days in our hands for revision. So please concentrate on whatever we do in the class. Now first I am going to give you the syllabus for S7. In English what we have? We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 lessons. In English we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 lessons. Understand? What are those lessons? Let me tell you. White mice, a question of grammar, Papaya's Adventures, Wind Song, and poem Minor Bird we are having. Okay, in these lessons, very simple things you are going to get, like all in model paper I explain about it. This is the portion 1, 2, 3 and 4 lessons. What are the lessons you have got? White mice, a question of grammar, Papaya's Adventure and Wind Song, and poem Minor Bird. And from all these lessons you are going to have the exercises also. In social studies you are going to have the syllabus 1, 2, 15, 16 and 17th lesson. 1 and 2 lessons, map and globe. One lesson, first lesson is map and globe. Second is latitudes and longitudes. Understand? Globe and map is first lesson. Latitudes and longitudes is second lesson. Then what lessons we did in the month of September, we are going to have them. They are the struggle towards freedom, 15th lesson, and the 16th lesson, freedom struggle, 17th lesson, independent India. So first lesson, globe and map. Second, latitudes and longitudes. Then third, this is first and second. Then 15th, 16th and 17th lesson we have. So 15th lesson, the struggle for freedom. 16th lesson, freedom struggle. And 17th lesson, independent India. And all the things what I have taught from those lessons you are going to get. This is about the portion. Now let us know about the model paper of each subject. First, let me take the model paper of English for you. Let me take the model paper of English first. So, your class is given model paper. Everything I gave you already posted the printed matter. Here just I am giving you the explanation about the model paper. Model paper for essay 1. Which subject? It is English. We are going to do with English. Understand? You are going to have first questions and answers. In the lesson already they are given after every lesson. I have given the notes also. Some children have joined late. Some children are attending the classes right from the beginning. So whoever have joined late, you may not be having the notes properly, both in English and social studies, but it is not a matter. Here I am there to guide you. I am going to give you everything in the form of revision. Based on the revision pattern, you are going to get the paper. Don't expect same questions, teacher, question answers of course you will get, meanings of course you will get. But other things based on the pattern of the paper, you may get other things or general things, whatever, but be prepared for it. So you are learning each and everything, whatever is taught to you. So first bit is question answers. Second we have who said to whom. This is who said to whom. Let me explain again. Third one, you are going to have meanings. Fourth, poem, very simple and small poem. Fifth, countable, uncountable nouns. Everything is from the back of the lesson. Underline subject and object. Fill in the blanks. Using this, that, these and those. Okay. Tick the antonyms. Antonyms means opposites. These all are given in your lesson backside. Please you check out. Fill in the blanks with phrases. Then 10th one, having punctuation. Eleventh, circle the adverbs. Well, homophones. Okay. Reflexive pronouns. You may get all or some may be deleted, but I am going to teach you everything. This is your model paper, children. These are the topics you are going to get in your exam. First one, question answers, very simple, small question answers. Who said to whom? Read the lines from the text and answering that you will be having. I am going to give you only the first part, who said to whom, that's it. Then meanings of every lesson. Poem meanings also I am giving in the form of revision. Poem you are learning, whether you are not, that is not a problem. It is a portion you must do. Countable and uncountable nouns. We will be having the sentences in that, whether the underlined noun is countable or uncountable, you have to show. Tick it. Underline the subject and object. Subject and object I am going to teach first. In the very first lesson we have got it, but I am going to explain the topic and then give you the typed matter for your practice. I am going to explain everything on the blackboard and then only I am typing and giving you. Then fill in the blanks with this, that, these and those. demonstrative pronouns. And then take the antonyms. One sentence will be given, in that verb will be highlighted, its opposite, two, three opposites will be given under it. One will be the right one which you are going to tick. Circle the adverbs. Understand? He, she, it, they, etc. Homophones. The words which sound alike but their meanings will be different. If I give, you have to do it. Then reflexive pronouns. Understand? Up I am going to give you, down in the dashes you have to fill. Myself, yourself, herself, himself, etc. are reflexive pronouns. So this is the model of the paper. You are going to get each and everything in the form of revision. Don't worry, though you have started attending the classes late, also not a problem. We are going to do everything properly, coolly. Okay. Then next comes you are going to write the exam in A4 size paper, and you are making a file and submitting all the 6 subjects papers you are submitting to the office. We will get from there, we will correct them and give you the marks. Understand? So this is the model paper for SA1 English. Everything is clear, I think. These are only the headings. When I give you the revisions, that time again with heading I will explain you first, then I am going to give you. Don't worry. That's it. Now let us go to social studies model paper. So, we are going to do with social studies model paper. So, class 5th, subject social studies, model paper for essay 1. Model paper for essay 1. First, as usual, we are having question answers, and mostly we will get small question answers only, not long answers. Question answers, questions and answers. Secondly, correct the wrong statements. Wrong word in the sentence will be underlined. You are selecting it and given beside the sentence dash will be given. There you are writing the correct word. Third one, complete the following, fill in the blanks. After every lesson, mostly I selected from the middle of the lesson and given you the complete the following pattern. You must be having it, notes. Flow chart. I will give about any one topic. Heading I will give, information will be given in the bracket, and you are going to get the subtitles. Along with it, you are writing the answers. Selected. Don't worry, we are doing the practice, revision practice. Comprehension. Comprehension means here I am going to give you one paragraph, small paragraph, wherein you are writing under it either questions or fill in the blanks, whatever I give, you are going to answer them. Match the following. to match the following, you have places, events and persons. Places which are associated with the persons and events. I will explain you. I will give the name of the place, which person is associated, related with that place, you have right, or which event is associated or related to that place. I will give you in the form of question. First of all, you are going to get revision of it also. Name the following. Simple thing you have got in the paper, I mean in the notes. Define the following definitions. One or two simple things. Tenth, tick the right answers. Then one diagram you will be having. Okay, these are the things you are going to get in your S7 paper. This is the model paper. You are going to get these headings I give. Understand? Under these headings we are going to do the revisions. You are going to get very short question answers. Understand? Not the big or brief answers. Only very short question answers. Then true or false are given in the end of the lesson. Them I will give, and wrong thing you are correcting and writing in the blank. Sentence will be given, in that one word will be wrong. That wrong word you are underlining and writing the right word there. Then complete the following. Fill in the blanks. I am giving so many, nearly 20, 25. From that you are going to get match the following, tick the right answers, fill in the blanks, etc. Okay. Flow chart about INC or anything I will give, show you, you are going to do. Comprehension. Unknown passage I am giving about it, under it questions I am giving, you have to read the answers. Then match the following. From the back of the lesson I will select and give you. Places, persons. I will give the name of a place. For example, which person is associated with Dandi? Mahatma Gandhi, you have read. Which person is associated with Meerut? Mangal Pandey. Understand? Which event is associated with Amritsar, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, like that. Then name the following. Already you have in your notes. Accordingly, I will give. Then define the following. Tick the right answers. From fill in the blanks, I will select and give. Then diagram you are going to get. You will be going to get, draw the diagram of important latitudes. Now same. Now only you are going to practice it. So this is the model paper about social studies. I hope it is clear. Question answers, correct the wrong statements, complete the following. Flow chart, comprehension passage, match the following, places, persons and events, name the following, define the following, tick the right answers and a diagram. This is all about your social studies model paper. I gave you both social studies and English model paper, and tomorrow onwards I am going to give you the revision. Though it is Sunday, be ready with your things. Understand? That's it. Thank you.